Okay, I have to tell you something. Other male sprunky character doesn't sound like a girl. Or a baby. Or anything like that. Just look at these videos, bro. It's so weird.
Ой, ладно, ладно, иди со мной в школу. Но только будь послушным. Benny Bunny, he was here just a moment ago. Oh, goodness gracious, I hope he hasn't drowned.
What on earth's going on here? Aha! I trust there's an explanation for this.
Bro. I just can't. What is this? Really? Nina? Madison? They do not sound like that. So weird. Well, I got some better crying voices for the male sprunkies that actually make sense. Yeah, that's it. These crying voices definitely make sense for the male sprunkies. That is all I got, so yeah. I hope you like this, so that's why I made it. Goodbye.